Hi guys, welcome back to my Happy Green World channel. Today I have UNI-T digital clamp meter UT204. I am going to unbox it and review as many of my off-grid colleagues have recommended this multimeter. Let's see whether what they are saying is true or false. Comes with a very nice casing. Wow, good. There, I think these are the probes. This is for another purpose. I suppose it is for the temperature. It is the temperature sensor. First we have to insert two AAA type batteries to start working with it. Okay, we will turn it on. Yes, good. First thing first, we will measure the voltage. Red probe here. Oh, there are some protective knobs that will remove it. Red wire goes here, black wire goes here, and yes, we are ready to measure the voltage. As you can see, it is showing 0.005 volt without connecting anything. We'll check what the issue is. Even if you short circuit, it is showing 0.001 volt. We will first measure DC volt. DC volt. Yep, it is showing some random numbers still. Okay, so this minus 8.7, 8.58. It is not stable. 8.3, 8.22. Okay, we'll take another battery. .4, 10.38, 10.38. Yes. Okay. So it is, there is a 0.2 or 0.3 variation. Okay, now we will check the smaller battery. This is 1.5 volt battery. 1.497. 1.497. It is quite accurate, I think. Yes. Now we will connect these together. One 1.497, 2.996. Why? 2.996. Now only it is giving the correct reading. This is my top balancing of lithium ion phosphate batteries. So this charger controller is showing 18.11 amp, and let's see what this is. 17.89. Either this one or this one is wrong, but it is marginal. For our purpose, this should be sufficient. So the biggest advantage of this clip-on type multimeter is we can measure DC as well as AC current. Here it is correct, 18.9, and here also 18 point. I think this looks really good. 18 point. Check here. Oh. So on the positive wire it is showing 18 amps, while on the negative terminal it is showing 17.6. Quite interesting, no? The expert will explain this. For the moment, I think this accuracy is more than sufficient for our work. Another good feature of this is if it is kept idle for some time without turning it off, it will automatically switch off, preventing the battery from draining out. And you can easily maneuver the switch from this, like this. See? So that is another advantage of. Now AC current. DC current. See the difference between my inverter reading and actual meter reading. There is about 3 amp difference. Now it is about 6 amp difference. You can guess the accuracy of DC current from these two readings. AC voltage. AC voltage is quite accurate. It is showing 231.1, whereas my inverter is showing 230 out. Solar input current. Meter is showing 3.05 amps, but inverter is showing 2.6 you can see. So I don't know where it is coming from, but there is a difference. Next we will check the continuity and the LED check. Yes, you can check the continuity very easily. And we will do the LED check. Yes, LED is lighting up, as you can see. Other side, if you check, it will not light up. Now we will check the resistance. $980, $970. Now we will check the condenser. 10.48. So this is 10 microfarad. Now diode check. Yes, it is low. It is 9.5. Yes, correct. Now we take the temperature. 34, 44, 47. Good. Yes, we can measure the temperature accurately using this probe. Very useful. Next, hertz. So this is connected to the utility and it is showing some variation is there. Yes, it is 49 to 51. It is varying. Last function I am going to review is NCV. There is electricity. This wire has electricity. There is no electricity here, but there is electricity here. In the neutral side you don't get it, but if you keep it on the live side it is heavy. See, there is no detection if you keep it on neutral side. Only the live side you get the reading. Overall, I like this multimeter and I am quite happy to use it for my work. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you like the video, you can give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon down there so that you will be notified when I upload a new video.